When it comes to upgrading your home's windows, the options can feel overwhelming: wood, aluminum, fiberglass, and more. But for many homeowners in Kendall, one material consistently stands out above the rest: vinyl windows. Known for their durability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance, vinyl windows have become one of the most popular and practical choices for South Florida homes. Here's why vinyl windows are a smart investment for your Kendall home, offering long-term comfort, savings, and style in Florida's warm, humid climate. Built for Florida's climate, Kendall's weather can be beautiful but also challenging. With high humidity, strong sun, and the occasional tropical storm, your windows need to withstand a lot. Vinyl windows are designed with these conditions in mind. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, vinyl is resistant to moisture, salt air, and corrosion, making it ideal for Florida's coastal and humid environment. Unlike wood, it won't rot, warp, or swell. Unlike metal, it won't rust. This durability ensures your windows stay looking great and performing well, even through years of exposure to heat and humidity. Superior energy efficiency: keeping your home cool during Kendall's long summers is a top priority. Vinyl windows are among the most energy-efficient options available. Many feature multi-chambered frames, double-pane glass, and low-E coatings that reduce heat transfer. These features help block out the intense Florida sun, keeping your home cooler and reducing the strain on your air conditioning system. The result? Lower energy bills and more consistent indoor comfort year-round. Energy-efficient vinyl windows can even help protect your interior furnishings. By filtering harmful UV rays, they prevent fading and damage to your floors, curtains, and furniture, a major bonus in sun-drenched South Florida. Low maintenance and easy care: one of the biggest reasons Kendall homeowners love vinyl windows is how easy they are to maintain. There's no need for painting, staining, or sealing, ever. Vinyl frames keep their color and finish for years with minimal upkeep. Cleaning is simple too. Most vinyl window designs allow you to tilt or remove the sashes for easy access to both sides of the glass. A quick wipe with mild soap and water is all it takes to keep them looking new. That means less time maintaining your windows and more time enjoying your beautiful Kendall home. Affordable without sacrificing quality: vinyl windows offer an excellent balance of affordability and performance. Compared to wood or fiberglass windows, they're generally more cost-effective, both in initial installation and long-term upkeep. Despite their lower price point, high-quality vinyl windows deliver exceptional insulation, noise reduction, and longevity. For Kendall homeowners looking to make a smart, budget-friendly upgrade, vinyl windows provide premium performance at an accessible price. Stylish options to match any home design: today's vinyl windows are far from plain. Manufacturers now offer a wide range of colors, finishes, and styles that complement everything from modern coastal homes to traditional Florida designs. Whether you prefer sliding, casement, double-hung, or picture windows, vinyl frames can be customized to suit your taste. Many even feature wood-look finishes that mimic natural textures without the high maintenance. No matter your home's style, vinyl windows can add the clean lines and bright aesthetic that make Florida living feel open and inviting. Long-term durability and peace of mind: vinyl windows are built to last. Because the color is infused throughout the material, not just applied to the surface, it won't chip, peel, or fade under the Florida sun. Many come with extended warranties that reflect their long lifespan and reliability. When professionally installed, vinyl windows can perform efficiently for 20 years or more, making them one of the most durable and worry-free window options available. The smart window choice for Kendall homes: for homeowners in Kendall, vinyl windows check every box: energy efficiency, durability, low maintenance, and modern style. They're perfectly suited for South Florida's unique weather conditions and provide long-term comfort and savings that you'll feel every day. When it's time to replace your windows, trust a local Kendall window installation professional who understands the area's climate and building requirements. With expert installation and high-quality materials, you'll enjoy beautiful vinyl windows that make your home more comfortable, efficient, and valuable for years to come.